What's going on, guys? It's your boy DZB, and today we're gonna be painting a Honda. Hey, yo, I don't even know how people be doing that shit. Like, how do you come in super fucking enthusiastic? It's 11:50 in the morning, and I'm still fucking tired. But anyway, what it do? I have made more progress to the Civic, and I'm ready to walk around with y'all and show y'all what I did and what the plan is today. Let's go. All right, so this is where we are right now. Every panel is sanded in 400 grit. Now that all the Bondo is sanded, it feels so fucking good. I'm satisfied with that. Bondo up here feels flawless. Also took the mirrors off, both sides. Had a small dent in the front, put some Bondo on it. Now that dent no longer exists. Sanded in 400, sanded in 400, mirrors off. Had a small dent on this door. I put some tape to make the Bondo area smaller. Got it filled in, I just need to sand it. This quarter panel was flawless. Wheel wells flawless. This quarter panel came out beautiful. Took the taillights back out, ran some tape over all the holes and plugs. Spoiler holes covered. Door handles are sanded, 400 grit all the way around. So I was originally going to take the door handles off the paint, but I seen the process to actually take these off, and it's more so of taking the wire off the locking mechanism itself, and that I don't feel like doing that shit. So I just sanded them. I still got to sand under the door handles all the way around, and then it'll be good. I didn't sand the bumper yet. I'm gonna take it off and sand it since it's already primed. It makes sense that way. And I gotta disassemble the fog lights to do that and paint those. So this is gonna be its own process. I gotta take the seals out, but I did sand the door jambs. I did start sanding the door jambs. I really did. I gotta get down here by hand, but I did sand the top. I did sand in between. I just gotta sand this part and clean it right there. I'm telling you, I did sand them door jambs, and door jambs is gonna get sprayed too. We're gonna go all the way around on this one. Now, obviously, there's a fuck ton of cleaning I gotta do before I can spray anything. So there's a bunch of wiping, cleaning, and I still got some sanding I gotta do on that side anyway. But overall, I am satisfied with the progress I made and where I'm at. Everything is sanded in 400. I just gotta sand that Bondo spot and get that sanded in 400 too. And start cleaning the car, wipe all this dust off, get it dust free as much as I can, and then start running tape. So that's probably what my day is actually gonna end up consisting of.
A few moments later.
So we got the back windshield edged up, bottom window trim edged up. We got the front windshield edged up. I'm gonna leave the front windshield and the front door because I still gotta pull the car out. But other than that, I got everything that I need lined up. Now let's go ahead and get the booth ready. Cold start. I haven't started it in like 3 days. Let's go. Power on.
3 hours later.
All right, here we are. I set up the paint booth a little bit. I ran out of plastic for this side of the wall, so I got to go buy some more and buy a zipper wall so I can make an entrance on this side of the wall. I got plastic on the back windows. You already know I got plastic on this side. I got plastic on the front windshield. And I'm working on covering up the headlights. I got the bumper off. The fog lights are off. I still got to cover this headlight over here. and this whole bottom half. Fog lights off, just need a simple 400 grit and it could be primed again. The bumper's outside, needs washed before it can get sanded. So we're gonna wash that tomorrow morning. Other than that, we're making some pretty good progress. It's hot, I'm tired. I've been doing this shit since the morning time. I'm going to bed.
2,000 years later.
It is currently 5:34 p.m. But we're all ready to go. Booth is finished. Car is fully prepped all the way around. She's ready to go. The wheels are covered. Front area is covered. Headlights are covered. Everything is covered. Ready to be sprayed. And today is the day. Let's go. So the car is ready. My fog lights and the mirrors are ready. I tried to hang this one. We'll see how it goes. It's really close to the wall, so I may actually take it down. But I got one hung, and we're going to leave the rest sitting on top of a surface. This is the primer we're going to be using. I like the color of it. It's super thick, so it should fill in a lot of the imperfections that I didn't Bondo. Make this shit easy. Let's go ahead and get started. Now that primer is super thick. It's thicker than your regular primer. And I think I have a 1.5 tip in this gun. Hopefully it works out. Now, I like to run lacquer thinner through my guns before I decide to spray anything, just to double check and make sure that they are cleaned, even though I clean my gun after every single use like you're supposed to. Ooh, it's gonna be a nice, pretty color. See, I like the color of this primer. I think it's gonna look good until I actually paint it a color. But for now, this will rock. I just realized that I don't have any gloves, so this is about to be one sticky, dirty, nasty ass process. I'm gonna really have to take a shower after this shit. But fuck it, let's go.
Listen, I know it's ghetto, okay? But I ran out of stir sticks. So this is all I got. Hey, if it work, it work, you know what I'm saying? I'm not bitching, because it's mixing. All right. We're all set up and ready to go. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. PSI is at 30 PSI. I'm gonna try to spray this on camera. I never sprayed while holding the camera before, so wish me some luck here. Make sure you clean off all your surfaces. I already wiped it, but it doesn't hurt to blow it off again. You never know what you missed. All right, let's go. Do all the edges first. Go to the other side. Beautiful. 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 Beautiful.
All right, first coat is on. You can definitely see some tiger striping in some areas, especially on the roof. This shit is so thick, but it's okay, it's primer. It's gonna get sanded anyway. I definitely like this color a lot. It's gonna need another coat. I'm gonna say it needs 2 coats, the way it was laying with 30 PSI. But I like this color a lot. It does look decent. It's the start of something beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry for 20 minutes and come back and put another coat on top. I'll get back at y'all when it's done. All right, this is coat number 2. This primer is thicker than your average primer. The way it lays so thick, it's insane. I didn't like the way this one shot, honestly. It was hard not to leave streaks all over the car. But it's fine, it's primer, it's gonna get sanded anyway, so it's not all that big of a deal as long as I get enough primer on the panels that when I sand it, it doesn't create a giant wave effect. One pro about it though is, besides the color, is the fact that it does dry quick as shit. Like, I promise you that this is already dry. I could sand this right now if I wanted to, and I just finished the second coat, I'd say 30 minutes ago. I'm satisfied with it though. I did forget to spray the wing, so the wing didn't get sprayed. That'll get sprayed tomorrow morning. I turned the backlight on so you can see the trunk a little bit better. I think the spoiler will look good once it's on there the same color too. With a black middle piece or a carbon fiber wrapped middle piece, I think it'll look fire. That's it for me though. I'm about to clock out and go to bed, and we'll finish this shit up tomorrow morning.
Walk through the door, I got hella heads turning, they watching me drip from my head to my toes. The faucet is leaking, it's what they be thinking, the way I leave puddles all over the floor.